Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, March 4 to 6, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands. If you're willing to check out their Sustainable With You program of BPI, just click on the link up here for more details. Also, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. So let's begin with our update. It looks like everything is quiet still across the Philippine Islands. The northeast monsoon has moved into another break. So it's purely easterlies right now across the eastern sections of the country, from the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley down to eastern Mindanao. So we expect some warm winds from the east with some cloudy conditions with some passing showers. So far, thunderstorm activity is currently rare at this time of the year because of the lower evaporation rates and the ongoing El Niño. And so far, outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight. We just only have here the near equatorial trough. There's nothing to worry about. And we have a shear line here to the south of Japan that expected to hit or to move into the Philippine Islands. And if we take a look at the fast animation, nothing extraordinary here. We have here a near equatorial trough generating some thunderstorms across the Commonwealth of Palau. And for the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, this is taken beginning 1:50 p.m. until 6 o'clock this evening. Only a few cloudiness can be observed all throughout the country. Nothing stronger or heavier than that. Some small chances of thunderstorms may be expected over Mindanao. Here in Naga, there are some light showers that we have experienced around 11 to 12 noon this today. Okay, and for the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days. So generally speaking, today until Wednesday, it will be purely easterlies, and by late Wednesday, the winds will become calm or lull with variable winds all throughout the archipelago. And on Saturday, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon expected to dig down over extreme northern Luzon. And by the way, that's on Thursday, okay? And on Friday, it will increase over the winds here, will expand and increase over the North Philippine Sea, over the Western Philippine Sea as well, coastal waters of Hong Kong, Batanes, Cagayan, Gumub Islands, and the coastal waters of Ilocos Norte. And on Saturday, it will expand across various sections of Luzon. But this is more of a milder northeast monsoon since we are now nearing the end of it. But on Sunday, it will expand across Bicol region, the Visayan area, until March 13. Maybe this will be the last hurrah of the northeast monsoon, so let's enjoy it. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast, so far it's below normal when it comes to rainfall for the past week until now. But there is chances of thunderstorms or showers across Mindanao in a smaller area like in Soxygen and the eastern section of Davao Oriental. Elsewhere, it will remain dry. There will be some light showers, but these will be rare across the eastern sections of Luzon. For the wave forecast, today, March 4, the wave heights here will be from 1.5 to 2 meters, while the inland areas will become to 1 meter while over the West Philippine Sea it will be from 1 to 1.5 meter and very safe for fishing and travel activities. And on Tuesday, the calm conditions will expand over the western coastal areas of Luzon and Palawan. So far, so good. Good for fishing and shipping. On March 6, Wednesday, the very light waves or calm conditions will expand across the West Philippine Sea, including the Spratly Islands. And this will persist through Thursday. While over the eastern side of the Philippine Islands, the coastal waters here will be around 1.1 to 1.7 meters. So far, there's nothing extraordinary when it comes to the waves. But when we reach the weekend, or next weekend, there will be another surge of the northeast monsoon. You can clearly see here some wave heights of up to 3 meters beginning Saturday, expanding across the eastern sections of the country to Sunday and Monday, March 10 to 11. Okay, and so far that's the forecast. So for the rest of the week, it will remain calm to light waves of up to 1.5 to 2 meters. Okay. And that ends our update for this Monday, and we will return in the middle of the week from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua saying, have a great week ahead. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.